Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I made these acrylic press-on nails. I'm going to be using the 𝒂𝒂𝓁𝒂 or the 𝒂𝒂𝓁𝒂𝓁, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, extra long, straight, sharp, stiletto, full cover nails. These were sent to me to review for you guys, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So first off, the shape is amazing. I really love the sharp stiletto look. I haven't found any full cover nails that look like this. So yeah, I really like that. A con is that they are meant for flat white nail beds, so if you have curved nail beds or anything like that, they're not really gonna work out for you. My nail beds are on the flatter side, so they did work out, but I did have to pinch some of them in order for them to fit better. But yeah, overall I do really like these nails, and I believe they're $12.99 on Amazon, and I do have an affiliate link if you guys want to shop through that link, but if not, that's totally okay. I will have it linked in the description. So I'm just gonna prep the nails. All I do is buff the shine off, and then I shape the nails just a tiny bit, and then I'm going to be applying acrylic, so I'm using the not polished acrylic in Rose, and I'm just going to apply that onto all of the nails. So here are the nails after the acrylic application, and now I'm going to file. I'm using my hand file, which is an 80/80 grit hand file, and I'm just going to file the sides a little bit. And then I'm going to be using the Pana 5-in-1 drill bit. I believe this is an extra fine or fine, I don't know which one, but I'm just going to file the cuticle area with it to thin it out. And then I flip the nail over and just file a little bit underneath, because sometimes acrylic gets underneath there, so yeah. And then I'm taking this hand file, I believe it's a 180 grit, and I'm just gonna file the surface of the nail and just smooth it out. Then I'll take a buffer and I'll just buff out the nail to remove any scratches or anything like that. These are the nails after filing. Now I'm going to wipe the nails with pure acetone. This is going to clean the nails, and it's also going to smooth out the nails. It kind of melts the acrylic a little bit and it leaves a super nice smooth surface. So now I'm going to be doing some Frenchies on some of the nails. This color I mixed. I used a green, which is from Beetles, a white, which is from 𝒂𝓁, and then a blue that I got as a sample a while ago, so I don't have a link for that. I'm using this color on the pointer finger and on the ring finger, and the brush that I'm using is from 𝒂𝓀𝓬𝒂𝓁. I got a set of brushes from Amazon for like $6. I think it came with like 5 brushes, maybe more, I'm not sure. But so far I really love this brush. It's the longest one out of the set, and it's just so nice. Like, this was my first time using it in this video, and I've been using it since, and honestly it's been making my Frenchies easier to do. So I really like it and I really recommend it, and it was very affordable. So for the thumb and the middle finger, I'm going to be doing some Frenchies, but in a lighter color. So I pretty much made the same color, but I just made it lighter, and I did add a tiny bit more blue. For the pinky, I'm going to be airbrushing the center of the nail to create that aura effect. And for the thumb and the middle finger, I'm going to be airbrushing the tip of the nail to create an ombre. And I'm just using like a darker shade of the original shade that I used. And yeah, I just mixed gel polish with acetone, which I know isn't like the safest method to use, but is what works for me. And I do use a mask and gloves and everything so that, you know, I protect myself. But yeah, I did 2 coats of that, and I did cure in between each coat. Now on the middle finger and on the thumb, I'm going to be doing like a zebra and cheetah or leopard print design, and I'm using a black liner gel to do that. On the middle finger, I'm going to be doing a 3D flower. I'm using a milky white acrylic, which I made myself. I just mixed some clear with a little bit of white. And the 3D brush that I'm using is from Amazon. I don't remember the exact brand, but I think it's a size 4. So after the flower dried, I went ahead and airbrushed the center of the flower. Well, I tried to focus it on the center, but it kind of got everywhere. And now I'm taking the lighter color that I mixed earlier, and I'm just gonna outline the petals and just like make little lines and stuff. And I'm also gonna make little dots with a white gel polish. Now I'm going to be applying some little gold beads in the center of the flower. Now I'm going to be using the 𝒂𝓁 Rhinestone glue gel, and I'm going to use that to make some little 3D lines on the pinky and on the pointer finger. I'm going to be applying these gold pearls now on all of the nails in different places, and I'm using the 𝒂𝓁 gem glue to glue them on. Now I'm going to top coat the nails with the 𝒂𝓁 top coat. So here's the final look. I really loved how they turned out, and I love the shape. Again, if you guys are interested in these full cover nails, I will have them linked in the description along with all the other products that I used in this video. So here's how they look like on. They honestly look really good, and they look like legit acrylic nails. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys found this video helpful.